Well, it's not exactly gardening season here in Minnesota right now, but in a couple of months, BaleBuster is going to transform those bales of straw that you see behind me into a glorious straw bale garden. Now, you may not have heard of BaleBuster already. It's a product developed by Joel Karsten, who is the original pioneer of the Straw Bale Gardens method. Joel spent a couple of years researching and testing and perfecting this formula. It's a conditioning agent specifically for straw bale gardeners. It works amazing. You sprinkle it on your bales, you water it in, you wait the right amount of time for the conditioning process to happen, plant your seeds and seedlings, watch your garden grow. All-in-one solution. You're gonna love it. You can buy BaleBuster on our website, which is strawbalegardenclub.com. strawbalegardenclub.com. We have tons of resources there to help you also. We have Joel's best-selling gardening books. We have BaleBuster. We have almost 100 free videos for you to watch, all about the Straw Bale Gardens method. We have a forum where you can ask questions directly from Joel, and we have a community of enthusiastic straw bale gardeners who get together in online events once a month as well. We will help you succeed. If you've never done straw bale gardening yet, you're going to love it. You don't need a green thumb. You don't need any experience. You don't need perfect soil. You don't need much space. You don't need to lean and dig and hurt your knees. You don't need to weed, because weeding is not part of the experience of straw bale gardeners growing beautiful vegetable gardens. Straw bale gardening is amazing. We want to help everybody who wants to grow their own vegetables and herbs succeed. Again, even if all you've got is a condo balcony, you can be a straw bale gardener. We will help make sure you have a fantastic gardening season this year. Visit our website, strawbalegardenclub.com. We look forward to seeing you there. strawbalegardenclub.com. It's a gardening movement with enthusiastic gardeners from all over the world, and we will celebrate with you about all your success growing fresh, healthy fruits and vegetables and herbs in your own straw bale garden. strawbalegardenclub.com.